National President ka People Party Conrad ke sangma ula pentep baulat kajala uphagu chuan ula khot ngobhai ya ka National People Party na ka banta banthaw ka sarkar sanram hapo ka jingalam ka NPP habai kran mat kilap thai khubor Conrad ulai thu ba ka jingbam smai jong ka sarkar ba thamai kandei ha ka new tarik mantaw banai liber ha ka por khatwei bijim step haraj bawan ha ka ni ka ju hi ka sim on bam smai ru ki menteri sarkar hakabai dei bat kamat jingdawa na ki katu kat ni banyo do menteri rang ba khasi u Conrad ulong babaro ki ameli ki laji ye u na kabanta banyalam ya sarkar hakaju ka por u Conrad ula panram jor ya ka jingsha thang ka office jog meli ka HSPDP na motion road tang hadien bo ni meli lalit ban ai jingkersan no ya ka NPP bat ongru ba ki don ya ka bor bat kila ban rai shakanu ka kanhun ki kwa bandan.
The swearing in will be on the 7th and I have received the letter from the Honorable Governor inviting me to form the government, and the swearing in will be on the 7th at 11 a.m. here in the Raj Bhavan, and we are expecting Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Home Minister and other leaders to attend the swearing in ceremony.
How many numbers of MLAs now?
So with the 32 members MLAs are supporting this government. The MLAs have been elected by the people of the constituency, and hence it is the mandate of the people. Yes, and therefore the MLAs will then decide who they want to support. So NGOs may have their own concerns and other issues. That's separate from election mandate. That is the political party which has sent the letter, but it is the parliamentary party and the legislative party which is the main signature and support, and both the MLAs have submitted the letter of support to us.
The whole cabinet will be sworn in, or
yes, the whole cabinet will be sworn in. MLAs will take oath on Monday.
Any initiatives to ensure that law and order is not disrupted?
Yeah, all steps are being taken to ensure that law and order is not disrupted. It is very, very unfortunate that this kind of incident has happened. In fact, it is very sad also to see that this is the kind of behavior we are seeing, which Meghalaya has never seen before. Meghalaya has always believed in democracy. We have always accepted the mandate of the people, and this election has given the mandate, and people have elected the representatives, and based on a democratic process this government is being formed. And now coming out and creating this kind of violence has never been seen in Meghalaya, and I'm sure the people of Meghalaya are not with this kind of behavior that we are seeing, and this is something that is completely unacceptable. Sure, all the steps are being taken. We have sufficient manpower and every deployment has been done. In fact, these different meetings that were taking place, that has been there, almost every area which they went to for permission, all have denied permission to them to have meetings, saying that the election is over, the mandate has been given, there's not the time to now have rallies about all of these things. So therefore, it's a clear indication that these kind of activities that are taking place by these individuals is at a personal level. Yes, it's true that other parties have reached out, and we are in discussions with other political parties also. But the details of that I cannot disclose as of now. But I'm sure you must be getting the information. So, but political parties have contacted us. Important point is that we are in a democracy, and it is the people who give the mandate. And there is a procedure and system in which government is formed and chief minister is elected. And that procedure has been followed. And therefore, yes, sentiments are always there. But ultimately, a process that has been defined is there. It's not about a person individually from a particular community has to be there or should not be there. That is not how democracy works. It is based on the mandate which is given to the people, given by the people. And it is based on that mandate that elected members have been elected, and the elected members then elect the leader. So that process has been followed. So I think this is not, the issue is something that, yes, as I said, sentiments are there, but ultimately it is the mandate of the people, and which we should all accept. Well, it all depends on how we work. We have seen in the last 5 years, we faced a large number of challenges, and yet by ensuring that there was good teamwork, by ensuring that we gave everybody their space and motivated everybody and gave a lot of stress on development. All these aspects helped us to make sure that we were able to take and survive and run the government for 5 years in spite of having large number of political parties. So it's always challenging to run a coalition government, but we will do our best to ensure that all the partners are given the space and ensure that there is a lot of consultancy taking place whenever we take important discussions, and we'll carry the team along with us.
Political
Formation of the
government.
Yeah.
Well, exactly. That's what you just said is absolutely correct. There is a way and a process in which government is elected. It has been done for decades in our state and for many decades throughout the country and throughout the world. And therefore, if there was anything that had to be said, it should have been said during the election time. That is when the campaign takes place. That is when you hold the rallies. But once a mandate is given, the people of Meghalaya and the people of the country have always accepted whatever mandate has been given, and accordingly they move forward. So therefore, this kind of program we have taken has been something that is completely unacceptable, as I said, and Meghalaya has never seen it. It's very sad and very unfortunate.